Interchanges are the most complex yet essential structures in modern transportation networks. Every day, millions of drivers are passing through these engineering marvels without a second thought. Yet behind each ramp and the bridge there is a story behind the civil engineering structures and these amazing technologies. So they play a very crucial role in maintaining the smooth flow of the traffic in our highways and roads by allowing the vehicles to change the direction and routes efficiently without stopping. So today we are gonna talk about the crazy engineering behind these interchanges and exploring the different types and innovations that keep the traffic moving safely and efficiently. So in cities across the globe, interchanges connect those major roads and highways, managing the high flow of the millions of the vehicles every single day. The concept was first represented in 1912. Since then, as more and more people are using these roads complexes, they have been invented to offer unique benefits. So the most basic type of the service these interchanges is the diamond interchange, where the highway passes over under a secondary road with a bridge, and the ramps are placed on either side of the highway, and it allows the vehicles to enter and the exit. So if the spacing between the designs is tighter, it is known as a tight diamond interchange. So it really helps us to construct such structures that are going to be very simple. So these interchanges do have the limitations. It can struggle to handle the different volumes of the traffic due to the interchanges at the crossroads, which can cause the congestion during the peak hours. So as the traffic volume increases in urban areas due to expansion and more complex interchanges such as the partial Cloverleaf and Cloverleaf interchanges have become very popular, and its design is very necessary. So the Cloverleaf interchanges was first popularly designed and it was suggested in mid-20th century. It was named for its resemblance to the four-wheel clover. This design features the loop ramps and allows the vehicles to change the direction without stopping. So this is very efficient in handling the traffic without the signals or the stops, and Cloverleaf interchanges have their downsides as well. So the Cloverleaf interchanges have a significant advantages, and the merging areas where the entering and exiting traffic crosspaths are known as wavering section can lead to congestion or accidents. So the modern engineering has moved towards even more advanced design such as stack interchange, which can manage large volume of traffic by separating each directional movement into its own level. So this typical 4-level stack has separate levels for the different direction, and it intersects the highways. In addition, it has the levels for left turning and the right turning for the traffic. So these interchanges minimize the need for the wavering and allows vehicles to maintain higher speeds when changing the directions. However, the increased complexity and height of the stack interchanges come in with higher costs and need for more space. So building the stack interchanges requires precise engineering to ensure the structural stability of the multiple layers of the concrete and steel. Texas has taken the concept of the stack interchanges to the new heights with the 5-level Texas stack. So this type of interchange not only accommodates the crossing highways but also integrates additional levels for the frontage roads. So these frontage roads running parallel to the main highways provide access to the local businesses and residential areas which would otherwise be cut off by main roadways. So the inclusion of these roads required even more vertical separation and engineering fineness, making Texas stacks some of the tallest and most complex interchanges in the world. So vehicles traveling on the highest ramps of the interchanges can sometimes find themselves over 100 feet above the ground level, and providing them a breathtaking view of the surrounding areas and a stark reminder of the scale of these massive structures. So there is another interactive design, that is the interchange, that improves the safety and efficiently by temporarily shifting the traffic into the opposite side of the road. So this reduces the number of the conflict points and allows smoother left turns without crossing the incoming traffic. So DDIs are becoming increasingly popular due to their ability to handle large volume of traffic while minimizing the delays and accidents. So in the world there are some other interchanges as well, and other interchanges have design exits like 3-level roundabouts in England that was built in 1970s. So complete stack in Los Angeles which allows drivers to exit in all possible directions, and the bridge in China that spirals exactly upward before providing an exit. So all of these engineering marvels and the complex engineering behind these interchanges goes behind just managing the traffic. So every interchange must be meticulously planned to consider the future growth, traffic patterns, environmental impacts, and obviously safety. So the engineers use the advanced simulations and traffic modeling to predict how the traffic is going to go and what are the potential bottlenecks and where it could occur. So they must account all of these factors such as weight of the heavy traffic, impact of the high winds. You can also consider the effect of the weather changes such as the ice forming on the ramps during the winter. In addition, the construction crews also face challenges of building these enormous structures, often while minimizing the disruptions to the existing flow of the traffic. So, despite these massive scales and complexity of the modern highways interchanges, they are constantly evolving. Engineers are always searching for new ways to improve the traffic flow and safety, reducing the construction and maintenance costs and minimizing the environmental impact or all of those sprawling structures. So this was the video of interchange design. I hope that you really liked it. If you really liked it, then please go ahead and subscribe our channel for interesting videos. Thanks for watching.